The first step is to simply log in into your Beacons account. Now, I'm not going to show you how you can create an account because it's very easy, but once you log in, you're going to have to click on create a product down here where it says launch your first product. Now, once we do that, we're going to have to select digital product and then click on let's go. Now here, we're going to have our product page. So what we're going to have to do is simply start editing here. So here we have the title. So we can simply change the product title. So I'm going to type in digital product. Then what we're going to have to do is simply change here. We can change the description. We can change and click on sections here and add more sections if you want. Now, what we're going to have to do, so here we have the buy now button. Then we have here the price. So we can set the price for our product. We can change the currency if you want. And here we can add an image of our product. So let me close this first. Now here, as you can see, we can add an image if we want. We can simply upload our own image, or if you want, you can simply generate using AI. Then here we have the checkout page. So here we're gonna have to simply make sure that all these are in the right place. So here the customer will have to enter their name and email address, and here is gonna see the subtotal and everything. And then here we have the success screen. Now what we're gonna have to do, as you can see, it says file missing. We're gonna have to click on upload and upload the digital product that you're selling. You can either upload right here, or you can simply add the link and paste here the link. So maybe you're selling on other website, maybe you're selling Google Drive file. We can simply enter the Google Drive link here, and then after they finish the checkout, they're gonna receive the product. So basically, that's all we have to do. Now, after we finish the page and everything, we're gonna have to click on next, and of course, we're gonna have to add our product. So let me add a random image here, and then let's click on next. And as you can see here, we're gonna have to skip this, and then we have the link. So as you can see, this is our landing page, and here people can buy it, as you can see, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.